Oh, hey, man. Yeah, this is Fred with Rusty Nuts, used automotive. And I'm just sitting here bragging about how good this steering wheel feels for being 90 years old. That's quite incredible. So, looks like somebody put their initials right in there. Might have to put mine right on it. But did you see my new intake? Yeah, look at that. I got me a new intake, man. So let me get out here and we're gonna go take a look at it. And, this is my split window coupe, 5-window coupe, fully aspirated. So this is a super cool which is tapping into the fourth state of matter, known as the electromagnetic field, where I'm coming across phenomenon like invisibility and levitation. And all you need is this magical rod, and you can tap into the fourth state of matter under the vacuum of space. Now that's cool. Go, Rusty.